but it's very hard for a beginner who has only few years of experience to do it without any support of any additional developers, an experienced developer, for example, DevOps engineer. So in the era of AI and in the era of higher and in the era of Python, where everyone is going to Python to learn AI, a lot of times I get in the Node.js world question is that what are the benefit of using Node.js in this term? And let me answer you about that is that, so there is no technology comes without a few disadvantages. Okay, Node.js has few drawbacks. The main drawback is the response can be greatly blocked and intensive CPU computation is used because it's a single threaded. Okay, in such cases, multi-thread options are better, but they are sluggish in performance. Moreover, if a relational database is used with Node.js, it behaves strangely, preventing favorable outcomes that the user can be sure of, since Node.js does not support multi-thread. It is better to suited for lightweight application but not large-scale heavy application. This is my advantage. So you should never use Node.js in an application where you are going to do high computation. It is only meant for doing the work of as a microservice. If your application is greatly microservice divided, each service is responsible for its own, you should use it. But if you are going to create a very big monolithic application where you are going to sync with multiple databases, with multiple databases, replicas, there is MongoDB, there is a NoSQL database, there is a Redis as well. So Node.js behaves strangely in those environments because in the production where we need millions of transactions each and every time, we need consistency and performance, and since it's a single threaded, it's very hard to make it faster. There are so many ways to make it much faster, but it's very hard for a beginner who has only few years of experience to do it without any support of any additional developers, an experienced developer, for example, DevOps engineer, senior engineer, tech lead. This will not become a performance. And yeah, this is my take on Node.js type.